Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to add Q&A to TikTok bio. So let's get started. Launch TikTok, then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Next step, tap on three lines at the top right corner. And here you will see creator tools. Proceed to creator tools, then select Q&A. Tap on three dots at the top right corner. And here you will see Q&A and show on profile. Just swipe the slider to the right side, enable Q&A and select who can invite you to answer question. So select everyone, then go back to your profile, and here as you can see we added Q&A to our TikTok bio. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.